In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see what price is doing, as it is currently down 4.43% at the time of recording. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking at Harmony One on CoinMarketCap, it is currently down 4.43%. Not looking too good on the daily. You can see here that we did tap up into the green zone, and then from the green zone onwards, we just pretty much made a bearish momentum come through, making lower lows, lower highs, everything you need for a bear trend. Essentially, you can see lower lows, lower highs. It's not looking too good on the daily for Harmony One, but if you quickly look onto the weekly, you can see on the weekly we pretty much we were really bullish. We did reach the high of pretty much 1.17 essentially, and then price pretty much just went down from then onwards. Not looking too good for the weekly, but all of these demand zones have been invalidated. Essentially, prices breaking right through them. We did have minor reactions from them, nothing major, nothing crazy, but just minor ones, which therefore just invalidates them completely. We will get into more in depth on TradingView in a few moments. So yeah, you can see on the monthly as well, we were close to breaking through up into the green zone, but price just fell back below. But hopefully we can respect some of the lower demand zone, possibly even pick up more buy orders. So if you go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Harmony One, you can see here that I had initially intended that we would get a strong accumulation schematic playing out, but by the looks of it, it looks like we might go lower for the retests, possibly. We're still within the schematic zone. We haven't broke below the spring to invalidate the whole schematic, so we could pretty much just be at the beginning of it. You never know. You see the selling climax, the secondary test, automatic rally, and then from therefore we had the spring, we had the break of structure, which pretty much just gave another confluence, and then therefore we had a pullback, pretty much causing the retest, and then from the retest onwards we were having a bit of sign of weakness, but it looks like the sign of weakness is pretty much, we could have it depends on how the overall market respects its demand zone. Looks like prices pretty much just liquidated all the weak-handed buyers within the zone, pretty much tapped into this bearish candle, and then therefore we should be waiting for a reversal to come through. But it also depends on the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. Let's go over to Bitcoin to see how Bitcoin is pretty much playing out. So you can see here Bitcoin is pretty much looking pretty much bearish, but it looks like we're having a little schematic being playing out. You can see here that on the hourly we did have a distribution schematic play out a few days ago, and then that was really well, nice played trade essentially. And then from, if we drop into like the 5 minute, we can have a bit more in-depth analysis on this pretty much this accumulation schematic being playing out. You can see liquidity, pretty much loads and loads of liquidity based upon this zone, but price could pretty much liquidate everyone, but it just depends on the overall market and how that moves. But for Bitcoin, I still believe that we are bullish. It depends if we invalidate this last demand zone, but so far in my opinion I feel like we could have a reversal towards upside, and then therefore all of the coins will become bullish again, possibly even having a reaction from some of these stronger demand zones within the lower level. But so far it's looking too good. So far it's not looking too bad for Harmony One, because if you draw a Fibonacci, you can see that we're still within the 0.618 region as well, so you got to take that into consideration when it comes to holding. But so far I still think that on the long term we're still bullish, but on the intraday, more short term, we are bearish. But we're just gonna have to keep waiting. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to 500 subs, and peace.